Hey guys, welcome to the review for 6.1 through 6.4. So we're just going to recap all the methods for solving linear systems. There's graphing, substitution, and elimination. All right, so I'm just going to run through one of each of these for you. So solve by graphing. This is where you guys have to get it in y equals mx plus b form first. All right, so if we rearrange this guy, and we subtract the x over, it's going to be negative y equals negative x plus 2, because, here, I'll write it out. We're just subtracting the x over, and I like to switch the order. And then to get rid of a negative, we're going to divide every single piece by negative 1, and that gives us y equals, well, a negative, we might as well just make a positive x. And then 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. Okay, so this is our first line. And then we also have to do it for the other line. Let me get a new color here. So this line also, we have to subtract the x over. And we're left with y equals negative x plus 4. All right, that's our second line. And then we're just going to graph those two lines and see where they cross. So this one has a y-intercept at negative 2. Slope is up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, right? It's always 1 over 1 if there's nothing there. All right, so that's our first line. And then the second line, the y-intercept is 4, and the slope is negative 1 over 1. So down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. Okay, there they cross. And wherever they cross, that is your answer. So final answer, x comma y, is 3 comma 1. All right, so that was solving by graphing. Now number 2 is solving by substitution. Now remember, substitution, you have to get one variable alone first, and you get to pick which one. I think I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to try to get x alone. So if I want to get x alone, how do I move a minus y to the other side? Aren't I just going to add it over? Add y, add y? So x is actually going to be 2 plus y. So then that means in the other equation, wherever I see an x, I'm going to replace it with 2 plus y. Okay, so let's rewrite this problem, but instead of writing x, I'm going to write 2 plus y plus this y equals 4. Okay, so we made a substitution. And then just solve. 1y plus 1y, if you add like terms, is 2y. So now we have 2 plus 2y equals 4. And then we're just going to draw the wall. Minus the 2, minus the 2. Totally running out of room. We have 2y equals 2. And then divide by 2, y equals 1. And now we need to plug that 1 back in to get x. And again, I always like to pick the isolated version. X is going to be 2 plus 1, so 3. So x equals 3. So final answer as an ordered pair is 3 comma 1. Oh, guys, I don't know if you noticed. We're doing the same exact problem 3 different ways. So guess what? We should end up with the same answer 3 different ways. Okay, just so you know. All right, let's look at elimination, my favorite method. Okay, we're having issues with this thing here. Okay, so elimination is when you add like terms going down and try to make something cancel. But they only cancel if they're perfect opposites of the same number. Oh my gosh, this one is perfect for elimination. Because look, negative y plus y cancels. So now just add like terms. 1x plus 1x is 2x, and 2 plus 4 is 6. And then divide by 2, divide by 2. So x equals 3. So elimination for this one was super easy. And now we need to plug it back in to find y. And you guys can pick. I'm going to pick the second equation. All right, so we need to plug in 3 for x plus y equals 4. And then now we just have to solve for y. So minus 3, y is going to be 1. Okay, so as an ordered pair, the final answer is 3, 1, just like we knew it would be. All right, so yeah, guys, that's the beauty of this chapter. However it's set up, just choose that method to solve it. You don't have to do it every time for all. All right, thanks for watching the review.